Oh man, if you need something to take way longer than it needs to, just give me a call. I'll help you out there. But like, oh man, I would rather not be doing this to my good one. Oh my freaking good one, please. Oh, this was supposed to be just a quick and easy cobbler in there. How you doing? I had a screwdriver, now it's gone. Oh, someone probably hit it on me. False alarm. I got a little piece of a rocker left over here. I can't even sant it. Oh yeah.
You have no idea how happy I am.
Why are you so happy? You love inwood? Or are you just mad at the tranny guy? Does he got you upset?
Well, he got my hopes up and he dashed me.
Yeah. Oh man, like that's just too much stuff to be having in there. I think pretty good chance. I'm pretty sure. Oh man. So what I've been doing, I'll let you know a little secret how to make things take forever. You just don't, right? You go, you do that, you close some stuff, and then you're like, oh man, and then you go do something else for a minute. Go start the dump truck and drive it around and go see what the felon's doing in the dome and do anything but that, and then that's how you
come back to that.
That's where we're at. I think, I don't know, I think this is like day 3 or something, but I did have issues with my pewter. Man, that's harsh, you know? It really sours my cigarette when I'm just trying to make my movie. I mean, it's not even a big deal. I'm just like taking clips and cutting pieces out of a cigarette. I'm not like trying any smancy pants in or anything like that. And
yeah, no CGI effects or anything.
Right? Like, and it just won't, so. But we got it figured out again. It's like the 9th time it's happened in the last couple months. So that's good, but I don't know if I can just remember the technique, I might be able to keep the flow going on that. But man, I'm trying to trick the felon into laying under there and angle grinding off all the jaggedy bits from the underside, and he's he's a little slyer than that. Eh?
Have you tried telling me to do that?
Well, remember I was telling you the other day, I was like, oh, you should get your angle grinder and the rocker off a Dodge Merit badge and stuff, and remember?
Well, maybe I will.
But it was not supposed to be this rusty, boys. I don't even know what I'm looking at right now. Chef Factory. Look at all this. It's truck confetti.
A bucket or something?
Oh yeah, do we have a scrap bucket anymore?
Probably. Right into the felon's scrap bucket.
Right. Oh, that's 83. That's, I should sell that on eBay.
$20,000.
Wow. 10. Started at 10.
Yeah, well, you know, you started at 20. Yeah. So it was like 5,000. You're like, no, fuck you, 10.
Oh, great.
Oh.
Like none percent went in the bucket.
No, 99% went in the bucket.
99%.
Enough of it. Oh, fuck. Do you still need it over here?
Oh, I'm just throwing the garbage.
Because they're guaranteed they're assholes. So just not right. Oh, what did you discover?
Oh, buddy.
Oh my god.
Why me and my whole life?
Why?
My good one is dick to nobody even cares. Oh, my door too, really? That's the bottom of my door? Come on. Oh, there's a thing in there. There's something over my door. Nice. Packed solid with shit. Excellent. Nice. Idiot. Look at this now. Found more holes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Boys, are you santasing my dilemma here for a minute? Come on. Really? Like, what is really going on right now? Welded another round of hacking and pickling and stuff. It's not getting any better, that's for sure. But I don't know. If accordance to my plan works into coherence, we should be able to slide that piece in there now, except for I still got to figure out this front. So we'll unbolt that fender and just hack that whole piece there off. See where we're looking, and then if we're copacetic, we can make sure it's at least half straight, and then give her a ticky-tacky. But I mean, we're still a long ways away from that yet. Good lord. Like, this whole pile of stuff here was just up in this friggin' I don't know, up in there somewhere, pretty much, depending where you're looking. But anyways, so many funs, so many activities. Oh, fun. You guys should get a third gen. Hey, you'd have a friggin' undercurtain operation, but never undercurtain your own shit, because then it would be a mess to work on. That's still pretty stuck on there, it would appear. That's good. What's it? I don't know if there's enough ambiguity on there, but Plastic stuff will be really good to weld too. Oh, mother lord. Oh yeah, that is spicy. Really appreciate it if you guys stop making fun of my truck too, okay? It's awesome, you guys. Stop saying it's junk, okay? Thank you. Don't leave back comments anymore. Oh, hurts my feelings. Makes me mad. Hurts my feelings, makes me mad. Don't do that. Okay? Wow. Finger blast this hole, all the stuff comes out. Yeah. That's what you want. Oh, I used to have a good digging screwdriver around here somewhere. Oh yeah. That's great. That's wonderful. Oh yeah. Just fucking stupid as fuck.
Can you take a cheese break?
Got any cigarettes? I accept all apologies in written form. In the grievance section, what happened? I apologize. Not too bad for Ginger, what happened? It's almost stuck on there.
Yep. Oh shit. Oh no.
better?
Oh, fuck.
Assuming stuck on there anyway. Shot than that. Oh my god. Better than fact.
Oh, Jesus.
I don't need that anymore. One more sheet metal than I was hoping to friggin' have to friggin' accommodate for. But I don't know. Should be aight. Should work out aight. More stronger. Right. Well, there she is so far. As gonna try to hopefully make it in a one-part type situation, but that's not happening. Way too many rusts. There's still, I mean, I haven't even touched the other side. We're days into this. Hey, but yeah, not too bad. I'll just friggin' shmam some pieces around and weld them on, ticky-tack the inside on. A little more poop in there, not too bad. It'll be awesome. Look at the Fitment, boys. Oh, yeah. Almost like it's friggin' meant to be, and then it's way more strong too. Way more strong. I could probably take like a piece of that 2-inch pipe that I got, make like a friggin' a stepellini, like a heavy duty like rock slider type stepellini or something. But I mean, it's a little bit better than when we started out, I guess. This side, not looking too hot. Not looking too smanty, really. If you look close enough, you can sort of make out some not goodness a little bit, but this inwood we fix. Back down a little bit so I can shut the door. Happy? But yeah, another 7 days. Jim's got a guy looking at his car tonight. Friggin' just going for dinner. I'll let him know. Just gonna go get something to eat and let him know and stuff. So Jim might be coming to friggin' pick up the truck tonight. That son of a bitch. Still need it for a couple weeks. Till this one's fixed, but hopefully not a couple weeks though, because I got a few other things I was planning on doing this month. Try to avoid getting too much footage in accordance to friggin' my pewter's dick, and I don't want to just have no movie. I'd rather have a little bit, show you what's going on, than, you know, end up getting cocked because my shit's all bogged down. But anyways, okay, I go.